Everyone's talking about AI, but as a business leader, do you actually know how to use it to make better decisions? That's where EIMT's postgraduate certificate in Applied AI for Business Leaders comes in a fully online program designed for professionals who want practical AI skills, not technical complexity. No coding, no engineering background, just practical learning that helps you understand how AI can improve productivity, strategy, and business performance. Learn how to use generative AI, automate routine tasks, create better prompts, and develop AI strategies that solve real business challenges. You'll learn through live instructor-led classes, practical assignments, and a capstone project that lets you apply everything to a real business scenario. The goal isn't just to understand AI, it is to confidently lead AI-driven change in your organization. Whether you're a manager, entrepreneur, consultant, or business executive, this program helps you stay relevant in the future of business. Start building the leadership skills the future demands with EIMT.